Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'll be showing you how you can invest in crypto.com. So in order to invest in crypto.com, it's very simple. All you need to do is follow the instruction as guided. So the crypto.com app supports bank transfer, credit card, debit cards and cryptocurrency as well. What you'll have to do is, in order to invest on cryptos in crypto.com, you'll need to first of all log in into your crypto.com. So once you're logged into your crypto.com, go ahead and tap the trade icon. As soon as you do that, right at the bottom you'll be able to see two different options, that is either to buy or sell. So select the buy button. So after that, you need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you wish to buy and confirm the transaction. So once you've done that, this is one way to invest in crypto.com. So there are different ways to invest in crypto.com. So similarly, you can do the same procedure for buying other cryptocurrencies, and that's how you can invest in crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.